Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm doing my news rant for today, right? Got a lot of news that I want to share with you. I split up these videos into tiny parts so that you guys can watch just what you want to watch, and not have to watch a long segment of video. So that's cool, right? I noticed that everybody's liking this new setup, so I'm going to continue with that moving forward. All right, well, let's get on with the news. Remember, anything that I have to say, right, is not financial advice, right? Please do your own research before putting your money into the market, and you will always do well. So let's head over and take a look at the crypto bubbles. Oh my goodness, look at this. Shiba just gave me another discount, man. Oh, I think I might, you know what? I think I might sell some other coin just to buy some Shiba and get some USDT and buy some Shiba, because man, that's a deep discount. Oh, there's another deep discount on Doge, man. Oh, you know what? We're going to be talking about that. Looking into all these deep discounts later on, just for the Davinci J15 subscribers. And if you're not one of those Davinci J15 subscribers, you're going to be missing out. But you can always subscribe because I'm recording it and I'm saving it for the subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and you can have access to that video. So let's get on with this show. We're also broadcasting on Twitch, but lately the Twitch video stream has been a little bit rough. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. We're gonna try to fix that after the show for the Twitch people. Hopefully we can get you guys up and running sooner rather than later. All right, you can see everybody here watching, right? There's 53 of us, right? Please join us again, right, by joining the Davinci J15.com group. Okay, let's start off with the news. All righty. Former President Donald Trump, Orange Man, supporting the orange Bitcoin. Right, and by saying, the president says he doesn't like Bitcoin because it competes with the dollar. Yeah, that's its job. That's its job, right? Thank you for pointing that out, right? Bitcoin just seems like a scam, Donald Trump says in an interview. I don't like it because it's another currency competing against the dollar. Essentially, it's a currency competing against the dollar. I want the dollar to be the currency of the world. Yeah, what you want and what everybody else want is in conflict. Okay? I could want, I know you might want to nuke the world and kill everybody, but we might not like that. Right? And so we're going to do something about that. So I know you're not nuking the world. You are trying to enslave the world with the dollar, right? Right? So it's not quite killing people, it's just enslaving them so that they all work for you. Yeah, we might want to, I don't know, rebel against that. So that's why we want the Bitcoin, right? Just so you know. Oh, darn, man. Oh, wow. So anyways, we're continuing on with the political news, right? Top White House tech critic Tim Wu holds more than $1 million in Bitcoin. Yeah, this guy had to reveal that he has that much money in Bitcoin because, hey, he's part of the rats, right? He understands the scam. He understands, right? Let's see here. What does he say? Bitcoin isn't backed by any sovereign, and unlike a stock or bond, it gives you a claim to nothing other than Bitcoin itself. He wrote, and yeah, that's if we replace gold with those Bitcoin, gold isn't backed by any sovereign. And unlike a stock or bond, it gives you a claim to nothing other than gold itself. Oh no! Let's replace that with silver. Silver isn't backed by any sovereign. And unlike any stock or bond, it gives you a claim to nothing other than silver itself. Shame. That means there's something wrong with gold and silver. Oh wow. Oh boy. Although he added that the illusory quality uh, describes most forms of money. Okay, yeah, okay. Well, that's it. While he cast doubt on the particular value of the consumers using Bitcoin to pay for everyday purchases because of its large price swings, he did say that cryptocurrencies might work fine as a storage of value that you can sell. I like that. He also said Bitcoin reflected a trend of social trust moving away from human institutions to systems based on code. You know what? He's not as dumb as he looks, as most political people are actually. So yeah, props for you. Props. Well, obviously, right? You know what time it is, right? You know that the dollar's not gonna last, so you're hedging your bets. Oh man, and that brings us to the ending of the world dominant currency, which is the dollar, starts with a little guy way down here, and he's tipping us off. I'm sure you've seen this video where this little microscopic domino ends up tipping over this bigger one, because as it goes, boom, 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 right, it takes over, and then it's able to tip down even the largest of guys. And it starts with the one guy buying, allowing one person, one country accepting Bitcoin as legal tender. And yeah, it's a huge domino effect, right? That's going to come. I'm surprised it came this early. It's a little early for it, actually, in fact, because in order for Bitcoin to really become legal tender, right? When it was just back at $1, I knew it was going to be used as money. It had to boot up, right? So it has to get to a valuation greater than $10 trillion. Right, in total value market cap. So just to have enough liquidity for corporations and hedge funds and mutual funds and all that good stuff to buy into it and be able to buy it without moving the market with millions and billions of dollars. And so we're a little ways away from that. Yes, you can get $1 billion in. However, it will take a lot of work. So I think it's a little bit early, but better early than late, actually. So it's great for El Salvador, but at the same time, right, because they're early, right, super early, the CIA will be knocking on somebody's door there. They're saying, well, what you doing? Might want to change your mind. Yeah, just so you know, all right? Yeah, but hey, it's great for now, right? There's no capital gains tax, right, for Bitcoin in El Salvador now, and this is going to attract investors to their location. And hey, who knows? Maybe I'll go there because yo puedo hablar español. Who knows what the future holds? But let's see how it plays out in the next little while, and what I'm going to do next, as only time will tell. Remember a few days ago, I was looking. Hey, I got to look into T-Fuel. Well, I didn't get a chance to, but Lee, who is administrator of my group, and he's been providing trades. He found a nice trade in T-Fuel, and if you guys, took advantage of that, not only did you make money because it hit the target, but it also continued higher. Let's take a look at T-Fuel, actually, if we can. Let me just quickly bring that up. Come on. Why are you so slow? Why you gotta do that? T-Fuel. There we go. There you have it. We went all the way to about 2,000 sats before we actually retraced. I wonder, did I have a sell order? What? Did I have some of this? What? I didn't have a sell order, sell half on a double? That is terrible. That is terrible of me. What was I thinking? Okay, so good. So my sell, I had some of this and I did not have a sell order. Okay, so it was supposed to be at 1,200, so I could sell it right here. There we go. I'll just sell half right now. Boom. Right? Whenever you make a mistake, right, in trading, right, you immediately clean it up, and that's what I'm going to do. Boom. I'm going to sell it at just over the price is right now 14, so I might want to just go a little bit lower than that. 14 70, and I'm selling 50%. Yes, sell. There we go. Got paid. Got paid. Good thing. Good thing. I forgot to check into that. Even though I saw it a few days ago, I was like, I should look into that. And yeah, there it is. We're live on set right here. We're selling some T-Fuel and getting paid. That's how you do it, right? Okay. Let me close this off, right, with a few more things, right? Well, web traffic for cryptocurrency exchanges hit an all-time high. Yes, people, the bull market's not over. Just so you know, it's not over. Just doesn't matter. I know we've talked about that Bitcoin has a percentage chance, a 60% chance that we're going to break down. It doesn't matter. We're not end of cycle yet. It's not the end of cycle. Any breakdown below this 30,000 is not going to last. You're not going to probably be able to buy unless you're doing your dollar cost averaging. You're not going to be able to buy unless you have a buy order down there at the $25,000 level and below, and like sprinkle it down there just in case it goes even further. You're not going to do that. Most people are just going to freak out and go, oh my God, it's going even lower, right? Could even go as low as 17, but that's, you know, we have to break 30,000 before we talk about that and say for sure that 17 is the number. But for now, right, we're still 60% chance going down and 40% going up from here. And don't discount that 40% as like, oh, it's nothing, because that's how you lose money. All right, so let's head over to a final point, right, which clearly indicates that Bitcoin's real and Bitcoin's here to stay. Microstrategy Bruce Bitcoin linked junk bond to 500 million, right? People are like really trusting this guy, right? The company received about 1.6 billion in orders for the offering. It's like it's like people went, here, take my money, take my money, take my money to MicroStrategy. It's like, oh my gosh. Wow. Reminds me of that cartoon image, right? Like, shut up and take my money. Oh man. Wow. So, you know, it ain't over. It ain't over. Right? Including interest from large number of hedge funds, according to people with knowledge of the market process who asked not to be identified, discussed a private transaction. The strong interests come amid a tumble in the value of Bitcoin. So you think it's over? It isn't over. It doesn't matter if Bitcoin breaks below 30,000 or not. It's not over. It's not over, right? So just remember that, right? Because Bitcoin's real, Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to go get some. Thanks for watching. Cheers.